This question is from fluid mechanics for 1 mark. Water flows through a pipe with velocity given by V bar is equal to 4 by T plus X plus Y into J hat meter per second, where J hat is the unit vector in the Y direction. T greater than 0 is in seconds and X and Y are in meters. The magnitude of total acceleration at the point X, Y is equal to 1, 1 at T is equal to 2 seconds is. The units for the answer is given in meter per second square, and the accepted answer range for this numerical answer type question is 3 to 3. Let's proceed to the solution. It is given that the velocity field is given by V bar is equal to 4 by T plus X plus Y into J hat. When we compare this V bar with the standard or generally taken velocity field, which is U I hat plus V J hat plus W K hat, we get the components as U is equal to 0, V is equal to 4 by T plus X plus Y, and W is equal to 0. The component of acceleration in X direction is given by U into dou U by dou X plus V into dou U by dou Y plus W into dou U by dou Z plus dou U by dou T. Since the component U is equal to 0, the acceleration in X direction will turn out to be 0. Similarly, let us calculate the acceleration component in Y direction, which is U into dou V by dou X plus V into dou V by dou Y plus W into dou V by dou Z plus dou V by dou T. Since we have V is equal to 4 by T plus X plus Y, this component turns out to be V into dou V by dou Y plus dou V by dou T. Now, upon using V is equal to 4 by T plus X plus Y and differentiating with respect to Y and T, we get the component of acceleration in Y direction to be 4 by T plus X plus Y minus 4 by T square. Since we are asked to find the magnitude of total acceleration at the point X, Y is equal to 1, 1 and T is equal to 2 seconds, let us substitute X is equal to 1, Y is equal to 1 and T is equal to 2 in this particular component of acceleration, and simplifying will give us acceleration in the Y direction as 3 meter per second square. Similarly, let us calculate the component of acceleration in Z direction, which is U into dou W by dou X plus V into dou W by dou Y plus W into dou W by dou Z plus dou W by dou T. Since we have the component W is equal to 0 as well, we get the component of acceleration in Z direction is also equal to 0. Now, we got the components of acceleration as AX is equal to 0, AY is equal to 3 and AZ is equal to 0. Therefore, the magnitude of total acceleration at the point X, Y is equal to 1, 1 and T is equal to 2 seconds is under root AX square plus AY square plus AZ square. So substituting the corresponding values and simplifying will give us the magnitude of total acceleration as 3 meter per second square.